So what is job cost accounting? There's three fundamental pieces to job cost accounting. The first one is that we're tracking all direct expenses by account and job. And usually we also include cost codes, which is our next piece. Generally, we're always using cost codes, which is also called service items. It allows us to track estimate versus actual, and those cost codes, those service items, map to the chart of accounts, meaning we never code anything directly to direct materials as an account. Instead, we have all these items that are mapped, and I'll teach you mapping. So the whole estimate versus actual piece is a fundamental component to job cost accounting. If you are a contract engineering firm and you tell one of the Fortune 500 companies that you can build out their new piece of hardware and figure out all the new tech for $500,000, you better make sure weekly, monthly, you're on track to get it done within the time allowed and with the cost that you thought that it would be, right? Staff time and all the costs going to the vendors. It's vital that we're keeping track of that compared to our assumptions, our estimate at the beginning of the project. The last piece that's fundamental is calculating, tracking, and allocating what's called labor burden costs. If you have employees in the field or doing work for client projects, they don't actually need to leave a building, but if you have people working on client projects, we need to have them doing time tracking so that we know how much time they spent on each activity for each project. But we can't just assume that the cost of that employee is their hourly wage, or even the hourly wage plus tax, or even the what's called PTB, payroll tax benefits. Payroll, tax benefits, PTB. Even if you include PTB, you're still not getting all of the labor burden costs associated with doing these custom unique projects for clients. And so that is the third vital component to our job cost accounting.